On this episode, we're going to see what's in the box. Another one of my eBay purchases. It's the middle of winter here, and I don't really need car parts, but when you find something that you've been looking for, you just got to have it, right? What do you think of that? It's a vintage Offenhauser. Is that a date? (10-11-9). I always wanted one of these. I mean, it's not the most high performance intake, but damn, it's cool. Anything that says Offenhauser on it. So is the water neck, no thermostat. Nice. 360 degree. Oh, that's cool. Your hands are dirty. You can highlight stuff. I have this factory cutout right here in the divider. .360. Says it again over here. 360 degree. Of course, it's going to go on a 360, but this is for a Chrysler. Sales distributor goes right here. This might go. Oh, something's broken. Guess I'm not sure what would be over here. Is this for the coil? Trying to think what some of these were before. It does have a heat crossover, so that tells me that it's probably just a stock replacement. But it is tall. So what do y'all think of my fine eBay purchase? What still is this? I might use this on something else. The 46 Dodge has a 360 out of a 73 motorhome. And I want to run a manual choke. because I have a manual choke on the dash, so I might as well use it. And if you watch my other videos, that's the car, the 46 Dodge two-door sedan. Has a A833 behind it. It's an overdrive 4-speed with a Dana 44 rear axle out of a Jeep. So that should be a fun car. I had it running last June on Father's Day. I had it crack off and make some noise for a little while. But that still has the original 360 intake. This will look cool on that. Highlight the Offenhauser. Of course, nobody's going to see it back there. They're going to see this one. Nice. Well, can go back in the box till spring. Here in Baja, it'll be winter for another 5 months. So I didn't need it today. I don't need it for a car today. But I found one and I got it. Any of you have this intake, or have you used it? Pluses or minuses, good, bad. Again, that was more or less just after the nostalgia of the Offenhauser name on it. It'll work. It's good as stock, I would imagine. The old Mopar cast iron intake. This is really throwy through here. This is... I'm going to have to do some research. It doesn't cross over, go up and over like some dual plane that almost looks like a single plane, because these are just straight. Have to do some research, figure out, see what I really have. But you can follow me. Follow my channel. This will go on a car in the spring, and we're a long ways from spring. So, thanks for watching.